my channel. I am back with another review video, and I found this product at Aldi, and it is another Clancy product, which is their brand, and it is the roasted sweet corn popcorn. So before I get into this review, if you're new here, I just ask that you hit that subscribe button below. Hit that bell to be notified. I only drop one video. That means you only see me once a week. Every Saturday at 3 p.m. Eastern time. So we're going to take a look at this packaging, front and back. Now I do love me some sweet corn. Ooh, and that smells like sweet corn. Here is a close-up. You see that pepper on there, that butter on that popcorn. So this is an air pop, lightly seasoned with the flavor of roasted sweet corn. Let's take one out. So there it is. I will say it's very buttery. You do get that sweetness. I can taste that pepper. It tastes like a roasted sweet corn. I would probably want that sweetness to come out a little more. I mean, it is there. It is very salty, I will say. And I think the salt is overpowering that sweet and the butter. I mean, the flavors are there, but it's very salty. And it does have 290 grams of sodium. And I'm not expecting this to be as sweet as like a kettle corn. But they need to kick up the sweetness because it's sweet corn, right? Yeah. It's salty. The salt is overpowering the flavor. So, but this has been my review of Clancy's roasted sweet corn flavored popcorn. If you have yet to subscribe, go ahead and do so. Please make sure you like, comment, and share this video with each and every one you know. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video.